Welcome to Three Questions with Verity, and today our guest is Jaskirat Singh. Jaskirat, can you please tell us a little bit about what you do at Verity?
Yes, hello, I'm Jaskirat, and I'm working in the hardware department, and I'm working as a research and development engineer.
You've been at Verity quite some time. Can you tell us what led you to join Verity back in 2017?
Yes, that's correct. So I'm a big fan of outdoor activities, which includes hiking. One day I was on a trek in Schwyz, and I met Luca Gherardi by complete chance. He told me all about Verity and what they were doing. I was more interested than he could have ever guessed. My passion has always been robotics. After seeing a flying drone for the first time when I was in high school, I decided to build one quadcopter myself for my final project. From there, I earned a bachelor degree from the University of Bologna and a master's in electronics engineering from ETH Zurich. During my studies, I continued working with drones, and after that lucky chat with Luca, I knew that Verity was the perfect place for me to continue my career.
Can you describe what your day looks like as a Verity engineer, just your day-to-day activities?
So in one sentence, my role at Verity is bridging the hardware and the software side of our engineering team. I'm responsible for the verification and testing of the hardware components used in our drones. It means checking that electronics boards received from manufacturers are working correctly using a combination of both hardware and software skills. When working on our industrial product, my day consists of making sure that our production line keeps running fluidly and solving issues as soon as possible. It usually means making sure that all the test stations are operating correctly and that all the vehicles produced by manufacturing team have good and sharp cameras.
For question number 3, because you've been here a while, how have you seen Verity change since you first joined the company?
Yeah, so when I first joined the company, we were only about 17 people. And fast forward to today, and we have more than 120 employees, and we are still rapidly growing. Apart from the clear benefits of having more people for development, manufacturing, deployment, and sales, I would say that the growth has brought up many different social activities. Indeed, I often find myself surrounded by Verity colleagues for an apero, going for a hike, or a mountain bike ride, or playing football.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us, Jaski. I'm sure that's very helpful for people to get your perspective on Verity and your role there. And we appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.